Hello, I'm Ding Xian Wu, and I'm from Group 1213. And we make this video for database assignment. My part is part 5 system problem, which is structural and data dependence problem, data redundancy, and type of data anomaly. Structural dependence means that access to a file is dependent on its structure. Data dependence means that data access change when data storage characteristic change. For data redundancy, it has 3 points. The first point is that data redundancy exists when the same data are stored unnecessarily at different places. The second point is that lack of security renders like file system vulnerable to security breach. The last point is that the organizational structure promotes the storage of the same basic data in different locations. The next one is type of data anomaly. It has 3 anomalies: update anomalies, insertion anomalies, and deletion anomalies. The definition of data anomalies is that data inconsistency that results from data redundancy and a partial update. The next is insertion anomalies. The definition of this is that it is not possible to add a required piece of data unless another piece of unavailable data is also added. The last one is deletion anomalies. The definition of this is a record of data can legitimately be deleted from a database, and the deletion can result in the deletion of the only instance of other required data.
Hi, my name is Jack. I am the leader of this assignment. So today I'm going to make an introduction of SQL command. SQL is actually stands for Structural Query Language. It's a database query language used for storing and managing data in relational database system. SQL was the first commerce language introduced for EF code relational model of database. SQL is actually used to perform all types of data operation in RDBMS. For example, like MySQL, Oracle, and also the Microsoft Access. So there are few examples of SQL DML command, which are select, where, group by, having, order by, and update. We will explain the definition after this. So this is our own design question. The first question is create a database with the name restaurant. And then the second question is create a table called customer with the following attribute and setting as I show in the table. The solution will be shown on the next slide. So here is the solution. We create the database restaurant and then create the table customer, which is for question 2 solution, and then we insert the customer ID in data type, not now primary key auto increment, follow the table show previously. So the third question is insert this data into the customer table. The solution, the table is like this, so we want to insert this all by using the SQL command. So here is the solution. We insert into customer, insert the customer name, customer contact, customer gender, customer email, customer address, and use the values, and we enter the details of the customer. So let's go for another question. Question 4. We create another table called order with the following attribute and setting. So we want to insert this all by using the SQL command. So the solution will be the create table order, and we insert the order ID, data type, and the foreign key or primary key, and then the extra auto increment. So the next question will be question 5. We will insert this data into the order table, which is the second table. Okay, we insert this data by using the SQL command, and then the solution will be we use the insert into order, and we enter the order ID, order menu, order status, orders quantity, order price, order type, and customer order ID as the foreign key. So now I'm going to discuss the select SQL DML command. Select is actually a statement select data from a database, which has many optional clauses like where, group by, having, order by, and as. So the syntax will be the following: select column 1 and column 2 from what table. Now let's go through the question. The question 6. List out the customer which is from the type of delivery. We got the colon customer ID, colon customer name, colon order type. So the solution will be we select the colon type as shown below, as shown on the previous slide. The customer ID, customer name, order type. From order inner join customer on order foreign key equal to the customer table primary key, where order type equals to the delivery. So we're going to discuss the next question. The next question is the question 7. Display the customer whose gender is female and her order status is served. So we got the customer name column, customer gender column, order ID column, and order status column. So the solution will be like this. We select the customer name, customer gender, order ID, order status. We select the column. From order, left join the customer on the foreign key from the order table and the primary key customer ID from the customer table, where customer gender equal to F, N is the logical operator, and order status equal to serve. Group by the customer name. So we will get this output. So the SQL command is where. Where is a statement only affect the row that make the specified criteria. It means that it is for filter, record, and extract them that fulfills the criteria. So the syntax will be shown as the following. Select column 1 and column 2 from what table and where the conditions. The question 7 is show the record of customer order who are from the type of tag-in and reservation. Use the in operator. So we got the column, we got the customer name, order ID, and order type, 3 column name. So when we use the select, we select the column name from order inner join customer on the customer order ID, which is foreign key from the order table, and the customer ID which is the primary key from the customer table, where order type in is actually a special operator, tag in and reservation. So when we execute this SQL command, it will show the output like this. So let's go to the question 8. List the customer which has 6 or more order. So we got the 2 columns, customer ID and total QTY order. So the solution will be like this. Select customer ID and sum order quantity as total QTY order. We want to change the order quantity as the total quantity order. This name. From order inner join customer on customer order ID as foreign key from the order table equals to the customer ID which is primary key from the customer table, where order quantity is largest equal than 6. The largest and equal is the comparison operator. So and then we group by the customer name, then we will get this output.
Hi, I'm Tan Kawan. Now I'm going to talk about the group by. What is group by? Group by is a statement arrange data group row that have the same value into summary row. The syntax are select column name from table name, where condition, group by column name, order by column name. Then I will explain the question 9. The question is show the average price and the total number of order for each customer. This table has 3 column name, which is customer name, average price, and total quantity order. This is the solution of question 9. The solution is select customer name, average, which is aggregate function, order price divide order quantity, round 2, which means decimal 2, as average price. Sum, which is aggregate function, order quantity as total quantity order from order left join customer on order dot customer order ID equal customer dot customer ID. Order dot customer order ID is foreign key, and customer dot customer ID is primary key, grouped by customer name. This is question 10. The question is show the customer who spent the highest as shown below. This is the output of question 10. The solution of question 10 is select customer name, order menu, order price as match order price from order inner join customer on order.customer order ID equal customer.customer ID. Just like the question 9, order.customer order ID is foreign key, customer.customer ID is primary key. Where order price equal select match. Match is aggregate function. Order price from orders grouped by customer name.
So my name is Chai Chi Chen. I will explain about the having definition. A statement only return row where aggregate value meets to the specific criteria. Where keywords could not be used with aggregate function, so we can use having. The syntax is select column names from table names where condition group by column names, having condition order by column names. And then my question is question 11. Question 11 is show the customer ID that have a total order price of more than 100 ringgits. So the solution is select customer ID, sum order price as total order price from order inner join customer on order.customer order ID equal to customer.customer ID, and then group by customer ID, then having the total order price more than 100.
Okay, I'm Tekajong. I continue my friend part. My part is order by. A statement then can sort the result set in ascending or descending order. The syntax is select column 1, column 2 from table name, order by column 1, column 2, and put the ascending or descending that you want. Next, I show your question below. This is need to sort the customer name in descending order, which got also customer ID. The solution is select a customer ID, customer name from customer, order by customer name in descending that you want.
I'm Ngo Hui Ming and I want to talk about the outdate. Outdate is a statement that changes the data of one or more existing data in a table. The syntax is update table name, set column 1 equal to value 1, column 2 equal to value 2, and so on. And where condition. The question 13 is update limousine name to limiting and her quantity to 3, her order price to 28 ringgit and 80 cents. The diagram below shows the customer ID and the customer name. The solution for the question is update customer left join order on orders.customer order ID equals to customer.customer ID. Set customer name to limiting order quantity equal to 3 and the order price equal to 28 and 80, where customer ID equals to 1.